Welcome! In front of me I have ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today we'll go through a little bit of an unboxing along with just a brief overview of the device. Now, as you probably see, this probably has been opened and it's not really a true unboxing, I guess, considering I already went through it. But number one, we're just gonna unpack it, and first thing you will see is the phone itself in a nice placement with the logo on the side. So let's just take it out somehow. I guess I have to flip it over. Get the device, there we go. So there's the phone itself. Now I'm gonna set it on the side for now and go through the content of the box. So you can take this out just where the phone was laying, and also gonna put that on the side and have all the content of it neatly organized in these little boxes. So you have, I think this is a charger. Let's just take it out. There we go. And yep, there it is. It's a charger. So it's a 5 volt 2 amp or 9 volt 2 amp or 12 volt at 1.5 amps. So yes, a fast charger. Nothing really outstanding, but nice anyway. Yeah, so I'm just gonna set that on the side now. That's all there was in the box. Then we have this thing which has a logo of an S. I don't know. Cables, okay. So number one, headphones. Really resemble an Apple headphone, but with Type-C plug, as you can see. So set it on the side. And there's a charging cable, also Type-C. The phone has a Type-C, so that's nice. And a converter. That's actually nice considering the headphones are C, and you get this little dongle to go from C to different headphones if you wish to use, I don't know, your beloved headphones. So you can just put that back in here and set it on the side. And last thing we got in the box is just a booklet, I guess. Yeah. So we got all the papers that no one cares, and a SIM eject tool right here. You can see. Just put that back in here. Okay, so now I guess we can go to the main part of the box, which is the device itself. There we go. Now I already smudged it up. So you can see it's already set up, but I guess for the purpose of talking about it, doesn't really matter. So key things: it's a 6 GB RAM device with a Snapdragon 845. And comes in with a built-in 120 gig storage, so that is really nice, and you can actually extend it even further if you wish. Then we have Android 8.1, so that's Oreo. What else on top of that? It's a 400, that would be really small, 4000 milliamp battery. Now the display is a 6.21 just an AMOLED with a resolution of 1080 by 2248 pixels with apparently HDR certification. So I guess that would be the key aspects of it. Then next thing, the cameras. Now front camera, there is only one with a bunch of sensors, as you probably can see right here. The camera itself is a 20 megapixel with f.20 and it records at 1080p at 30 frames, so fairly okay for a front camera. And then the back camera, or cameras, there is two of them actually. You have a 12 megapixel with f.18 and PDAF, which is just a fancy way of saying automatic focusing, and OEIS, or however OIS, optical image stabilization, which just stabilizes the image when you're recording. That's one, not really sure which one is which one, but the second one is an ultra wide. I assume the second one is an ultra wide. And the cameras record at either 2160 at 30 frames or 1080p at 30 frames as well. So you don't have the option to actually go to 60. And then you have the dual tone flash, which I don't think anybody uses at this time. And also you get the fingerprint sensor in the back. There is no under display one, so that's a bummer. And another thing that I was actually surprised about this device is the fact that it actually has Qi charging. So I already have one prepared here. Just for that, I needed to test it because somehow I didn't believe that. So it's plugged in, and there we go. It's charging. Let's just actually lift it up, and you can see that it has this brief moment where it shows that it's charging, but it's actually continuously charging, as you can see right here. And you also can see that it's not plugged in. So it actually is Qi charge. So that's nice. And I guess this would finish up the brief overview along with unboxing of the device. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.